What's up, guys, and welcome to Forex Success. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade crash and boom. I'm going to show you how to trade crash and boom successfully. So guys, as you can see on my screen, we just got a spike. This strategy is the spike catching strategy for crash and boom. It works on all crash from crash 500, boom 500, boom 1000, and crash 1000. So it works for all. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the point. You can see, so let's first go to the indicators that we need for this strategy. The first indicator you will need, you select the average directional movement. You click on average directional movement, you click on it. The period for the average directional movement is 50. Period 50 star is 2 pixel. The positive DI 2 pixel. Use color green. The negative DI 2 pixel. You use the color of your screen, just as you can see. I'm using white as since it's the color of my screen. I'm using also for the negative DI. So if you're using a black screen, use black as your negative DI and your style. Then you click done. Guys, we got another spike. I'll show you the reasons for this spike, how you can know how to catch these spikes. I'll show you the reasons for it. It's the strategy. So guys, the next indicator is the commodity China index. For the commodity China index, you take period 14, apply to typical price, the style 2 pixel. You can use the color green, then levels is negative 100 and positive 100. Go back and click done. You can see that. Okay, so the next indicator is the moving average, which is period 10, shift 0, apply to close. The method simple. The style 3 pixel. I'm just showing you this, guys. 3 pixel. Then the color is red. Guys, please watch this video attentively, like don't skip any part. The strategy is very powerful. You click done. The next indicator is the market facilitation index. The market facilitation index, the volume, you take tick, the line width 4 pixel, the size MFI up green. For the MFI down, volume down, you take black colors. The MFI down, MFI up, volume down, you take black. Then the MFI down, volume up, you take green. As you can see on my screen, you can see the colors differently and whichever they stand for. So do it same way for better understanding. You click done. You've set the indicators. Now look at what the indicators has displayed on my screen. This after you set your indicators like this is what you will get. So for the zoom level, guys, for the zoom levels, I've zoomed in my screen. So this size you are seeing now is the first zoom level. The first zoom level. We are going to be using the third zoom level. So you zoom out once, you pinch out your screen. 1. This is the second zoom level. You can see that again, this is the third zoom level. So that is how to set your zoom levels. And we are using the third zoom level for crash and boom strategy, guys. Okay, and we are using 1 minute time frame for this strategy. You can as well confirm, make more confirmations from the 5 minutes and 15-minute time frame using this strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy for crash and boom. Okay, this is what you need to watch out for. this is what you need to watch out for this strategy, guys. First thing, watch out for, guys, the first thing you need to watch out for this strategy, watch out for the red moving average crossing above this green line. Watch out for this intersection. Yeah, the red moving average crossing above this green line. You get ready for a spike. The moment the red moving average cross above this green line at the overbought level, you get a spike. You can see we got another spike right now. So the moment the red moving average cross above the green moving average as the overbought level, guys, you get ready for a sell. That's for crash. For crash 1,500. You get ready to catch spikes when the red moving average cross above for crash 500 and crash 1,000. Look at this market. Look at this point. It crossed above at this point, and look, we got a spike here. You can see this strategy, guys. It works. It crossed above at this point, and then we got a spike here. You see, we got a spike there. After 2 candles, we got another spike. And guys, thus for crash 500, most effectively, this black bar indicates another spike. This is most effective in crash 500. I'm saying this based on experience. It is very effective on crash 500. Once you see a black bar in crash 500, it mostly indicates another spike to come. Yeah, so guys, as you can see now, we got another spike for crash 1000 index. So what you need to watch out for before you can take a sell to catch spikes on crash, you watch out for this red moving average crossing above this green line. The moment you see it cross above, you place a sell. If you were to place a sell at this point, look, you place a sell at this point. After 1 candle, it spikes. You see. So let's check out. Let me show you more examples. You can see. Look at this point. Look, the red moving average came and crossed above at this point. Look, after 1, 2 candles, it spiked. You can see the strategy. You can see. I'll show you more, guys. Very powerful strategy. Look, it came, it crossed, it spiked. You can see. Look at these, guys. It came, it crossed above it at the overbought level, it spiked. Telling you guys, the strategy is very, very powerful. Look, this is a baby spike. Yeah, this is a mini spike. So it crossed above it, but it wasn't at the overbought level. Look at the overbought level from this 100 level here. It crossed below the overbought level. So you don't take such market. You wait for the confirmations before you enter. Guys, you have more time to trade. It's better you trade and make than to lose. You understand, guys? It crossed above, then a spike at this point. You can see, very powerful strategy. Crash and boom. You see, guys, it crossed above, it spikes. Yeah, that's crash and boom strategy. Very, very profitable strategy for crash and boom. You can make money with these, guys. You can make money. Okay, let me show you for boom. Okay, let's check out for crash 500. For crash 500, let's see how the strategy works. Look, crash 500, guys. You can see 1 minute time frame. It crossed above, it spikes. I told you about the black candles, about the black bar for crash 500. It crossed above, it brought the black bar indicating another spike. then it spiked again. You can see guys, it brought another one, black bar indicating another spike. So guys, this is as the strategy works. It's a very effective strategy. Look, cross above, then it spikes. You can see it brought a black bar which indicates another spike. It spiked again, a black bar indicating another spike. It spiked again. You can see that guys. So this is crash 500. Yeah, crash 500 guys. This strategy is a boom. Like, it works well. It works well for crash and boom. Let me show you for boom. Let's take boom 1000 index for the strategy. Okay, boom 1000 is currently on the downtrend. Yeah, so let me show you some examples for boom. What you need to watch out for, it's the market. What you need to watch out for right now, guys, it's the red moving average crossing below the green line at the oversold level. That is for boom to catch spike. You understand, guys? Watch out for the red moving average to cross below the green line. That's what you need to watch out for. So now look, it crossed below. It crossed below at this point, and then look, a spike. A spike. Cross below, a spike. Very powerful strategy. Look, cross below at this point, a spike. Crash and boom strategy. It cross below is a spike. Cross below, give us a spike. Cross below, give us a spike. Very profitable strategy. As soon as the conditions are met, the red moving average cross below at the oversold level, you get a spike. You get a spike. Yeah, that's how it is. Look, cross below gives us a spike. Let me show you for boom 500. Boom 500. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Same way, just like boom 1000. As soon as it's crossed below, it spikes. Guys, it spikes. You can see. Show you more examples. I'm showing you examples of it. It crosses below. This is not at the overbought level. Look, it crossed below at the oversold level. It spiked. You can see. Just wait for this red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level. Then you get a spike. Look, it crossed below, it spiked. Exactly how the strategy works. It crossed below at the oversold level, it spiked. So guys, this is how the strategy works. So guys, use this and make money for yourself, guys. Stop feeding your broker. Make money for yourself. So guys, I'll be dropping more strategies, more amazing strategies to trade. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and turn on that notification bell so you will be notified each time I drop a new video. Guys, you can share this video to your friends so they'll also benefit from the strategy. Like, guys, we are back. Forex success. Thanks for watching.